Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a drain snake. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of using a drain snake just like this one. Now, I will say this, there are different kinds of drain snakes that you can buy, but this is a very common type and it's going to work very similar to this one. So most likely if you have a manual drain snake, not an electronic one, this is what it's going to look like. Whether or not it's this exact one doesn't really make a difference. They're all going to be very similar. So essentially you have two things to do with this, okay? Now first of all, you can actually attach a drill to this to make it spin faster, but I would not recommend that unless you really know exactly what you're doing, which if you're watching this, you probably don't. So basically you have a handle, and with that handle, it actually spins the drain snake. So you can see right there, it's spinning the drain snake when I turn the handle. Very simple, it's like a 1-to-1 ratio, it's not any sort of crazy mechanics, it just spins it, very simple. And then you have a lever over here that will unlock it. So right now it's locked, okay? When you unlock it, just like that, so you see it's locked. When you unlock it, okay, you can actually extend the drain snake or retract it, okay? As you can see right there, very simple and straightforward. You can see right there, it's still using the turning action. Now at the edge of your drain snake, is going to be a little hook over here, okay? Now, that's a very, very sharp piece, so you got to really be careful when you are handling a drain snake. And the purpose of this is to grip onto anything that's in the drain. Now, I'm going to be demonstrating this on this central vac opening, but if obviously, you probably are going to use it on a drain, but I actually used this drain snake. This is at my parents' house here. I actually used this drain snake to actually unclog the central vac system. So you can use it for pretty much anything that involves a little tunnel that you need to get things from. So here's how you use it, okay? Very simple. And I should have probably taken this off, but I'm just going to open it up. So here's how you use it, okay? You're going to start off, it's going to be locked, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to unlock it, okay? You're going to feed the drain snake into the drain, so I'm feeding it in, okay? You're going to hit a certain point, like you're going to hit something. So you're feeding it in just like that. You're going to lock it, okay? And you're going to turn it. So as you can see right here, I'm turning it. Now this would be gripping anything that's in there. Then you're going to continue. So I'm going to unlock it, pull the piece out, lock it again, and I'm going to feed it in there. So check this out. I'm feeding it in there, okay? Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it over and over again. Keep turning it. You're probably going to find some stuff in the drain. Okay, once again, unlock it, extend it out, lock it, feed it in, more and more. Feed it in, just like that. And when it's locked, you don't have to worry because it's going to be gripping this stuff. Rotate, 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 rotate. Okay? Unlock it, feed it in, like that. Okay? Lock it again, feed it in. Rotate, 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 over and over again. Once you feel like you've gone far enough, you're going to pull it out, okay? Now, you might have to rotate it when you're pulling it out, depending on how clogged it was and what it gripped onto. You're going to pull it out, essentially, okay? And when you pull it out, you should have whatever it was that was clogging on here, because when you're rotating it, this should be spinning on the thing. So let's say you have a big chunk of hair in your drain, in your shower drain, right? This is going to spin on that hair. It's going to grip all that hair. When you pull the drain snake out, well, guess what? It's actually going to be on there. So when you pull the drain snake out, it's actually going to be on there. It should be on there. And if you didn't get anything, go back in there, go in further. And the good thing is, you know how much you've gone in. So I can see this length. I can go and measure this. And then I can go in further. So let's say I need to go in further, no problem. Unlock it. Feed a bit more line into that drain. Turn, 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 turn. Try again. You didn't get anything, no problem. Unlock it. Feed more. Lock it. Turn, 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 turn. That's it. When you're done, it is important to rinse out the drain snake. You don't want to leave all of that nasty stuff on the drain snake. Let's just be honest, okay? You don't want to leave it all in there. But when you've rinsed it out, I always recommend letting it dry for a little bit, shake it off shake off the water. Feed that drain snake back in there. This is how you store it away. Feed it back in there. Okay, you might have to do a little maneuvering. Feed it back in there, just like that. Okay, lock it, you're good to go. Another quick tip, when you're storing it, because that's how to use it, but when you're done with it and you're storing it, Store it in a safe place. I always recommend leaving just a piece of toilet paper wound up around here so that this doesn't hurt anybody, because this is very, very sharp. Like, people underestimate it. This is extremely sharp in most drain snakes. And I just recommend leaving just a piece of paper towel there, or toilet paper just wrapped around there, and then put it in a bag. That's what I always like to do, because then it contains the water and stuff like that. Keeps everything nice and contained. And that's basically it. And then you can carry it around without worrying about what's on your hands or anything like that. You're carrying it in the bag. And that's it. In this video, I've shown you how to use a drain snake. This has been a very simple tutorial, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.